The question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and data obtained represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Now table is given 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180. Now frequency, length of leaves in millimeter, number of leaves 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Total equal to n equal to 40. Firstly, we have to make the table in continuous form. Here we see that in table 118 to 126 and 127 लिखा है. Here right is 127. तो 126 and 127 के बीच में 1 की गैप है. तो we have subtracted in first class length 0.5 minus in lower limit and addition 0.5 in upper limit. Similarly, in second class minus 0.5 in lower limit and plus 0.5 in upper limit. So now in second table we see that the class length 117.5 to 106.5, 126.5 to 113.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5, 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5. Here it is continuous. Now it is necessary for continuous only mode and median. It is not necessary in the mean to find the mean. Only it is necessary in mode and median because in formula we have to write the lower boundary point. Now number of leaves frequency 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2, total 40. Now cumulative frequency, the first 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, plus 4, 38, plus 2, 40. So total number of leaves equal to 40. Now n equal to 40 is given. Now m equal to n upon 2th observation, 40 upon 2 observation, m equal to 20th observation. जो कम्यूटेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में से 30 माइनस होता है, इसको मीडियन क्लास लेने का. 3 माइनस 20 तो नेगेटिव में आंसर आएगा. 8 माइनस 20 माइनस 12 नेगेटिव आएगा. 17 माइनस 20 माइनस 3 आया. पर 29 माइनस 20 तो 9. इट इज पॉजिटिव. देयरफॉर बॉक्स बना दो. तो मीडियन क्लास इज 144.5 to 153.5. फ्रीक्वेंसी 12. Cumulative frequency 29. Therefore, median class is 144.5 to 153.5. Therefore, L equal to 144.5, lower boundary point. Now, height, size of class, class length, height of class. So, 153.5 minus 144.5 equal to 9. Small f equal to 12. Frequency of the median class, CF equal to 17. Cumulative frequency above the frequency median class, m equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon small f into h. This is the formula. Now we put the value 144.5 plus 40 upon 2 minus 17 upon 12 into height of a class 9. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 into 9 upon 12, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 multiply 3 upon 4, 9 upon 4, 9 को हम 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर मिलेगा 2.25. Therefore m equal to 144.5 plus 2.25. Therefore median equal to m equal to 146.75. Thank you.